In the next few minutes, we'll look at some demonstrations that were developed from input by police officers across the country. These demonstrations were done with an active state police vehicle with 5,000 miles on it. The demonstrations were conducted at the General Motors Proving Grounds in Milford, Michigan. The drivers are state police officers. Their demonstrations will highlight the enhanced control features of an ABS-equipped patrol car. The officers' first demonstration will be stopping on a wet surface from a speed of 50 miles per hour. First, without ABS. Now, with ABS. It is important to point out that during an ABS-assisted deceleration, you'll feel a noticeable pulsation or vibration of the brake pedal. This is to be expected and is an indication that the brake system is in the ABS mode of operation.